Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today is all about ice blasting a Defender 110. This vehicle is from a returning client of ours that we've done a hell of a lot of work to many years ago, and this was actually one of the first vehicles that we started the relationship with for the client, but he is back to go for the ice blasting solution and also a protective layer that we'll talk about later on in today's video. But let's jump into some shots of the action of getting this one cleaned up. So you've seen all the shots of this Defender getting treated with our protection and also underside cleaning. So dry ice detailing, what on earth is it? Firstly, basically, to give you a bit of an understanding, it is the best clean an underside of a vehicle can have before its protection, okay? What this vehicle has opted for is the dry ice detailing on the underside as well as an engine bay dry ice detail as well, getting rid of that oxidization underneath there and just cleaning the entirety of the vehicle. One thing that we've also then done is the protection element, okay? So the protection element is using something called Dinitrol, which is a absolutely amazing product and kind of perfect for this particular vehicle for what it needed. On that underside of that vehicle, we've actually gone through into the chassis legs and used the Dinitrol ML cavity wax. This is really important that we're going into really deep areas and protecting it with that. After that, we're then using the RC900 rust converter from Dinitrol, which is also a fabulous product, because that basically, with doing all these sorts of things, we're actually basically eating away at that rust, killing it and getting it ready for then the final layer of that underside protection. Inside the wheel arches, we've gone for a stone chip finish, which looks really smart. Again, a Dinitrol product, but again, the final results, as you've seen earlier on in today's video, from before to after, are truly breathtaking. I mean, it's night and day to where the vehicle came into, but it just means that this vehicle is going to last so many more years and many more happy years for the client and the vehicle to explore and wander the UK. So, I mean, overall, vehicle is now ready for collection, and I'm sure, I don't know how many cars I've done for this client now, but I'm sure he's going to be over the moon with the finished results. Obviously, it's one of those things that we can't see too much now, but when this vehicle goes up on a ramp, when it is inspected, it is going to be very noticeable to anyone looking at this vehicle that it is incredibly well looked after, a cared for car, and also it is then preserving the lifespan of the car as well. So if you guys are interested in getting your vehicle dry ice detailed and then protected with our team here in Cambridge, feel free to come in, see us, view our facility, but also you can head over to the website, head over to the car care website, submit an inquiry. I'll go through everything with you, or our team will, We'll go through everything with you in a lot more detail, and we can get you guys booked in with our team. But this vehicle, this whole treatment has been around about a week's worth of process. We have the vehicle in, for example, on a Monday. We'll be ready to wrap up with you on the Friday, but it just means everything gets time to cure and sit inside controlled environments while the work is also completed. It means that everything is also then looked after and preserved, ready for your ownership and ready for you to hit the road. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next upgrade.